Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you, Jeff?
Good, good.
What are you up to today?
Just teaching a first-year biology lab. Want to come check it out?
Sure.
All right, come on in.
So it wasn't too long ago that you were a student here.
Yeah, I studied biology here for a few years. I had a really, really great experience here.
So what made you choose Langara?
So the smaller classes, I heard good things about this program. My sister was actually a student here at the time, so she told me that the biology department was really top quality. And also the transferability to UBC was very, very seamless and painless, and it was just so straightforward.
What kind of experiment are the students working on today?
Okay, so today they are doing a blood typing experiment. They have synthetic blood, so it's fake blood from 4 different individuals. And using their powers of deduction and reasoning, they have to try to figure out what blood type each 4 individuals has.
How did starting post-secondary at Langara help you prepare for university?
It really helped me prepare. I was used to the amount of workload that I was expected to have, the quality of the information and the difficulty. Also, I learned how to study on my own. I could ask as many questions as I wanted. By the time I got to UBC, it was very empowering, and I was so well prepared. I can't emphasize that enough. The labs really helped with that too.
And what brought you back to Langara as an instructor?
Oh, good question. The sense of community that was here, the quality of the instructors, the lab instructors in particular, they really stood out, obviously. That's why I wanted to come back and become a teacher. I've always wanted to teach, but I'm really lucky that I get to do it here. Speaking of labs, there's some really cool stuff in the second year lab. Can I show that to you?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, let's do it. All right, so this is one of our second year labs here at Langara. Why don't we come check it out?
How would you say the labs here compare to the ones you worked in at university?
Oh, good question. The main difference I would say is that in first and second year here, you can work with a lot of equipment that you normally don't get to touch at a university until you're about 3rd or 4th year, or sometimes even grad school. So we're really lucky to have the opportunity to work with this equipment here at Langara.
What are some of the things that really make this lab stand out?
So some of the things are those wonderful pieces of equipment that I was talking about. This is a cell biology lab that we have set up here. Today they are going to be using their spectrophotometer, a really cool piece of equipment that, again, you normally wouldn't get to touch something like this until you're at grad school at UBC. So very lucky to have it. Another cool feature in this room, and we have in a lot of our biology labs here, are these nice Niederman fume hoods. So when we're doing a dissection, we can pull this down, turn it on, that sort of cuts down on the smell. Also, if we're working with preserved specimens, it can cut down on the amount of chemicals that are floating around the room. But there's one really cool thing I want to show you at the end of the room, but let's just do a quick walk around before we get there. We also have our lovely biological safety cabinets. If we're working with any hazardous material, this gives us a safe environment to work in. But the main thing I wanted to show you was our amazing saltwater tank. This is used mostly for invertebrate biology. And we can see we have lots of urchins, lots of sea stars, some anemones, there's a shrimp back there somewhere, and some sea cucumbers. So we're very lucky to have something real and tangible for our students to look at while they're studying these creatures. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. I should probably head back to class, but let me know if you have any questions about the lab, and thank you so much for checking us out.
Thanks, Jeff.
Thanks.